We do things differently than other companies in the industry. There's a lot of companies in the industry that do things based on a sort of a bottom line first approach where they're just looking to make money. Here at Best, we look at it from kind of the team member first.
You're not just a number, you're not a robot or a drone, you're going to be taken care of.
My name's Brendan. I am one of the installation team leaders here at Best Air Conditioning and Plumbing Repair. Here at Best, we teach our guys how to be successful at everything they do. For the amount of time that I've spent in the trade, I don't think I'd be getting paid what I'm getting paid.
There's tons of incentives, bonuses, competitions.
I love working here. I've been there where you guys are at. I've had the thoughts you guys have thought, and Best is the place to work.
We even have games in which case you can actually hit some dartboards if you hit your KPIs, and which of those are the goals for the week.
You get your calls on time, go home when you're done.
You're never just sitting here making no money when you can be somewhere else that is, and that's where we come in.
Even though Best is the first company I've been at, I feel like I'm more well off than people that have more experience in the trade.
No one's done as much as Best has done for me.
I started off as an installer, and I can tell you that it's the most I've ever made in my 10-year career.
It's been pretty good here. I highly recommend it to anybody looking for a change. Work at Best because they're the best company to work for, to cut it short, you know what I mean?
We get to do something different every day. This is the #1 air conditioning and plumbing company in Nevada.
Come join the team.